Hi, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. It is Inner Child Healing Wednesday. I am Nora Truscello with intuition.com. Come visit me at my website sometime. Today's meditation, we are going to focus on healing the inner child. And then later on tonight, we're going to talk about miracles. I hope you can join us then too. But let's focus right now on bringing the energy down into our second chakra where the emotions of our childhood live and having them healed and bringing our attention to an actual situation. This is slightly usual than what I usually do. Our meditations for healing the child, we go out of our body, we look to our past. But I've been working on a new series of meditations where we are clearing out the different chakras. And since the second chakra is where the emotions of our childhood lie, and that's where most of our issues come from, I thought today we would settle into our second chakra and pick a memory and heal that. So, as always, we begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We will then go into a simple guided meditation where we will sit silently for a few minutes. At the end of the silent period, you will hear the chimes letting you know it is time that I will be speaking again, not to jolt you out. We will say a quick prayer of thanksgiving, and then we will move to the 23rd Psalm. Sorry, I just had a brain freeze there. Only one cup of coffee so far, so. But we're going to get through this with no issues whatsoever. Let's take a deep breath and begin by closing our eyes and beginning to just relax, let go. Invite your body to simply let go, relax, and notice how quickly your body responds. Mind is the builder, the physical is the result. So your body follows your mind. Scan your body and notice if there's any tension. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot. And again, invite it to relax and let go. From this relaxed, comfortable place, we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us notice the beautiful energy above our heads, and on our third eye. There is a slight tingling on our forehead between our eyebrows. That is where the energy is moving into our body. Let us follow it into our head, into our neck. Feel it tingling and energizing you as it moves down into your chest, your solar plexus, down to your second chakra, all the way down to your root chakra, down to your feet. Let us bring our attention now to the root chakra where all the emotions are hung up from childhood and even adult life. Let us look now gently around as if we're in a big room with lots of pictures all on the walls. Scan them quickly and notice where your eyes stop. What is the picture? What is going on? What needs to be healed in that image? What needs to be healed from that time? Invite yourself to move into that time, into that picture with your younger self and be there. Be in a listening position and hear the pain, hear the upset. Don't resist it. Allow yourself to feel what's going on. Now you help the child understand that you are safe, you are powerful, and you are strong in the present. And that is because of the hard time this little one has gone through. And you want them to know it's all going to turn out and that you love them for their strength, but they can now let go of this pain, this responsibility, this upset, whatever it is the child's hanging on to. Hold yourself. Hold that little one and just love on them and give them what they didn't have at that time. And let us sit quietly for a few moments as we merge that past with the present, healing the past, healing the present, healing the future as we merge in silence. Fully one, fully whole, we start to release this meditation with a prayer of thanks to the divine for this opportunity. We pull our attention into our bodies and become more present, closing with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I really like that way. That was quite different. I was surprised at the picture that came up in my mind. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think of inner child this way versus the way we usually do it. I'd love some feedback and see what you guys feel. Very great to see you. I hope to see you tonight for the miracle show that Chris and I will be talking about on empowerment through intuition. Remember to visit me at intointuition.com. I am Nora Truscello. Have a great and beautiful day. Bye now.